So I just had a great call helping some clients transition. They bought an existing business and they're going to be transitioning it over to their new business. And in the conversation, we started talking about SEO. And I thought this is such a great time to share with my audience as well and to be helpful and inform you folks that there is a part of your SEO called Image SEO. And basically what we're talking about is the images on your website, are they getting SEO value? So I don't know if you can see it. If I zoom in here, can you see this name, right? And it's website image SEO.jpg, right? So basically those are some keywords that exactly describe the content I'm talking about. And if you go over to my blog, you can learn a little bit more about this because I have done some analysis for you to show you the difference between a WordPress site, a Shopify site, a Showit site, a Squarespace site, and a Wix site. So more or less the question is does your website building tool use image SEO effectively? Do your images maintain their keywords and are they recognized by search engines? So WordPress here, you basically see there's a bit of a string of folders and dashes to get to the keyword name for the file, which is Maui website designer.jpg. So obviously if I am targeting Maui website designer, I want people to find me because I'm a Maui website designer. So I have put this image on my website and it's got these keywords in the file name. So in Shopify, here's a sample I did for a client of mine. So in Shopify, they add, again, a couple of dashes, a couple folders, a couple layers deep before we see the keyword Maui website designer. And it also has added the size to the image, so a little bit of extra content. Showit also has some dashes and some weird numbers and crap kind of in here that is like not SEO friendly. Like this crap is not helping you, but it does still say Maui website designer.jpg. Squarespace, it's got a bunch of crap in here, like all this. It's basically just extra numbers and jumbly stuff that just makes it a little bit harder for the search engine to know what this image is and then how to match you up with search queries that people are looking for Maui website designer. Okay, on Wix, it's like super crazy long, like literally it's horrible. So I'm not a big fan of Wix. Wix is probably one of my least favorite building tools, but I just wanted to remind you folks not to neglect your image SEO. And if you have any questions about your image SEO or about your SEO in general, or how to get AI to recommend you, please hit me up. I'm here for you. 27 years experience as a website builder, optimizer, and manager. I'm your tech angel, here to take those problems off your plate so that you can enjoy running your business and enjoying your life.